Okay, here we go. Start of the game. Wyckoff versus Mahwah Raiders. Mahwah Thunderbirds. We're the Raiders.
Mahwah on the run. Tackle for a short gain by number 83, Carson Anna.
Pass. Incomplete. No, second down.
91 Finn Harrigan. Pass incomplete. That'll make it.
Okay, we have third down for the Thunderbirds.
Go get him!
Ooh.
Number 1, Jordan Lowe with the carry. Fumble on the play.
First down for the Raiders. That's another first.
To run by Christian Ugg, number 17.
First down, Raiders.
Go, baby, go! Go, baby!
There we go, there we go. Oh! Nice.
Pitch to
First and goal for the Raiders.
No idea what's going on.
Ooh, is that... Okay. Nice run. Okay, this is second and goal. Get in there. Is he in or not? Oh.
pitch number 83,
Inches to go.
Carson Aranda. Tackle just shy of the end zone.
Okay, third and goal. Let's go!
49 quarterback keeper Chase Kaufman with the run. And that's
Extra point attempt for the Raiders. Oh! That's ball. There we go.
Carson.
Oh.
Kaufman with the pass. Complete to number.
First down for the T-birds. Oh, ball.
Fumble on the play.
This is first down for Wyckoff after the turnover.
And Kelly.
Yep.
And Kelly.
What?
Did the Feelers get the ball?
What?
Get the basketball?
What?
Did the Feelers get the basketball? Oh God, I think it's raining.
Second down for Wyckoff.
You're cool. Grace literally has like flags on
Ooh.
her car and dogs are out.
Yes, Carson!
There we go. He's gone. 56.
Handoff around the side. Number 33 Carson Ananda. That's good for a Wyckoff touchdown.
Wait, what's the door?
Second and long for Wyckoff after the penalty.
What is it?
There was a holding.
Wait, so what's that mean for?
Yeah, go, baby! Yeah!
Got some orders there. Third down and long for Wyckoff. Oh no.
Fumble on the snap.
It's okay.
I know, right?
Fourth down.
Wyckoff retains possession.
This is fourth and pretty long. Oh, is a pass? Oh, oh, darn it.
Okay.
Great play. First down for Mahwah.
Handoff by number 2, Luke Gallo.
Let's go, Raiders!
Well, I guess he could stay out.
Go get him! Go get him!
Quarterback keeper, number 91.
Gotta go down. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I'm waiting for a little bit. Now my phone's on.
First down for Wyckoff. Go, 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 go. Oh, all right.
Go, Christian!
Oh.
Yeah, push! Good job.
Bottled up there.
Handoff.
You might have to wear it for a second.
Third down.
Mom, look in the field hockey arena. There's a dog playing with his owner.
Oh, keep it. Nice. Go, 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 go. Ooh, we got wheels. We got wheels. Oh, let's go.
Quarterback keeper by number 49, Chase Kaufman. Around the corner, and that is good for a Raiders touch.
There's the extra point attempt for Wyckoff. Oh, the trip. Oh, he got it. Oh, he got it.
Pass complete to number 17, Christian Ogg, and that is good for an extra point.
Oh, more size for
Moving on the play, false start against Mahwah.
All right, push him back.
It'll bring it back.
It's Mr. Pan.
Sorry.
Sorry. This is second and short for Mahwah. There's a toss.
Go get him!
Oh, hit. All right. It's up.
Number 1 on the carry. Mahwah 0.
There's halftime score, 14-0. Raiders are up. Okay, this is the first play of the second half. It's Wyckoff's ball for a first down. There he goes. Okay.
Handoff to 29, Jason.
Second and short for Wyckoff. Ooh, look at this formation. We're about to find out. Oh no. Oh, cut it upfield. Let's go. All right. Third down for Wyckoff. Oh man, come on, give something back.
Go, baby! Go, baby!
That's a first down.
Pitch to number 83, Carson Aranda, and that is good for a Raiders first down.
First down for the Raiders. Hang on. Second down for Wyckoff.
Moving on the play,
Not much. Not anything.
flag on the play.
Second and long.
Quarterback keeper by number 15, Liam Frisco.
Third and long. we go. All right, take it upfield. Let's go. Do what you do.
Go, go.
There we go. He's gone. Good for 6.
Pitch to number 83, Carson Aranda around the corner, and that is good for a Wyckoff touchdown.
Extra point attempts for Wyckoff.
Go, Liam! Nephew, that's my nephew, that's my nephew!
Oh, is that good? Oh,
Quarterback keeper,
fumbled it.
and number 15, Liam Frisco.
Darn it. Okay, we have first down for Mahwah. Oh, they got him in the backfield for a loss. Second down.
Go get him, go get him, go get him! Go, Liam!
They're in hot pursuit. Ooh, wow. Another loss.
Number 2 on the carry, brought down by number 15, Liam Frisco.
3rd and 16 for Mahwah.
Watch ball, watch ball.
Pass. And it's incomplete.
Pass incomplete, broken up by number 29, Jason Trello.
First down for the Raiders. Alright. Ready to fight for some yards there. Second down. Hand off. Oh, he gone.
Hand off to number 3, Carson Arnada.
83.
Down the field, and that is good.
Extra point attempt for Wyckoff. Ooh, oh, they stopped him short.
Hand off to number 45, Jameson Rourke. Extra points attempt is no good.
First down for Mahwah.
Fumble on the play. Recovered by Mahwah.
Second down. We got him. Third and long from Mahwah. Oh, nice tackle.
I don't know if you know this, but she said use the camera.
Incomplete.
To record yeah, that's what I mean. But they haven't even like no dolphins.
First down.
So I was like,
Not much there. I set it off in between.
actually, you know what? I'm gonna steal my phone because I got a tripod. It'll be good. I don't even.
Well, he might say.
Third down for the Raiders. Ooh, oh, no good. This is fourth down. Ooh, it's a pass. Oh!
Pass by number 15.
Ha. No good. First down for the Thunderbirds. For T-birds. Oh.
Carried by number 2, Luke Gallo.
Second down.
Oh, it was in his hand.
Oh, he dropped it. Oh, man. Bummer for him. Third down for Mahwah.
Yeah, baby!
Wow. Nice takedown. Fourth down for Mahwah.
36 seconds.
They're going for it.
Go, baby, go, 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 go.
Or don't.
91 on the quarterback keeper.
Final score. 26-0. Raiders win.